Would you like to go back to the simpler times when automaking was actually treated like art, cars were beautiful, and had manual transmissions? Well, today we venture into the world of retro-styled sports cars and beautiful restomods. They carry the spirit of the past, but mitigate all the engineering problems with the modern technology. So subscribe to Automotive Territory and hop on our time machine. Enjoy the ride! Volvo P1800 Cyan GT. Despite former affiliations with Volvo and Polestar, Cyan Racing Team is an independent entity owned by Christian Dahl that has recently become the official motorsport partner to the Geely Group. Besides running the racing operation for the Chinese, Cyan has recently tapped into the business of car manufacturing, with the P1800 restomod being their first creation. The P1800 GT is the road-legal version of this project, still based on the Sixties Volvo coupe. The street-going aspirations of this classic sports car do not prevent it from having a race-grade titanium roll cage. The body is entirely made of carbon fiber, and the suspension is now fully adjustable for the ultimate grand touring experience. For this build, Cyan installs a heavily modified 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine from Volvo and a 5-speed manual transmission by Hollinger. This mill is rated for 350 or 420 horsepower, which should be good enough for about 4 seconds 0 to 60 and 12.6 seconds quarter-mile time, all thanks to the extremely light weight of about 2,400 pounds. The 1800 GT has a gorgeous beige leather interior, Momo sports steering wheel, analog gauge cluster, and comfy retro seats. But even if you have 700 grand, the waiting time for this car is at least 12 months. Kimera Automobili Evo 38. Lancia will be returning in 2025 with an attention-grabbing Ypsilon hatchback, but the true continuation of the brand is taking place in the workshop of a different Italian carmaker. Kimera Automobili is all about restoring Lancia's World Rally Cars racing glory. Therefore, their second model will be a tribute to the 038 prototype. Back in the 80s, it was supposed to rival the Audi Quattro S1, but today it is an ultra-limited 38-unit supercar with a rare manual transmission. The follow-up to Kimera's original Evo 37 gets a larger turbocharger, some hardware revisions, and most importantly, becomes integrale, which is translated from Italian as all-wheel drive. As a proper Lancia, Kimera is powered by an Italtecnica 2.1-liter 4-cylinder turbo re-engineered under the guidance of Claudio Lombardi. It channels close to 600 horsepower to both axles, using a 6-speed manual transmission that has been adjusted with shorter gear ratios. Plus, there are intentions to offer the Evo 38 with an electronically controlled sequential gearbox. The Evo 38 has an electro-hydraulic differential controlled from inside the cabin, and its suspension was tweaked with electronically controlled shock absorbers. Gunther Werks Gulfstream Commission. Being a part of the Gunther Werks Speedster program, the Gulfstream Commission is based on the 993 Porsche 911 generation and is limited to 25 numbered units. Here, the original chassis undergoes a full restoration and gets fitted with a bespoke suspension system, while the bodywork is made 2 times stiffer compared to the coupe model. The car comes painted in a unique blue hue, complemented by numerous exposed carbon fiber parts. Other exterior updates include modern bi-LED projector headlights and LED DRLs. The Gulfstream Commission rolls on 18-inch T6061 forged aluminum wheels and 5-inch spoke design that house large Brembo brakes with 6 or 4-piston calipers. The drivetrain system consists of a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6 that was developed by Roth Sport to meet Gunther Werks specifications. Paired with a manual gearbox from Getrag, the mill produces 435 horses and 335 pound-feet. Inside, the 2-seater is wrapped in tan leather upholstery with a carbon fiber trim. Bentley Blower Jnr. We all expected first Bentley's EVs to be an electric version of the Continental Coupe or at least a Bentayga SUV. However, the Brits are taking it slow and for now prefer to play around with some heritage projects. The Bentley Blower Jnr is a 15% scaled-down version of the original supercharged 4.5-liter blower from 1921. 700 pieces were handcrafted for the replica. The rear section was fabricated from carbon fiber, so besides smaller looks and a mere 1,200 pounds weight, it is nearly indistinguishable from the original. Instead of a 245 horsepower 4.5-liter engine with forced induction, the electric blower is powered by a 20 HP motor. It is juiced by a 10.8 kWh battery with a 48-volt architecture. You can expect to blow away the competition, moving at the speeds up to 45 miles per hour with a range limited to 65 miles. The initial 99 units of the Blower Jnr will be designated as first edition models, featuring unique badging on the hood, door sill plates and dashboards, along with an engraved and numbered 1 out of 99 plaque. All first edition models will showcase a blower green finish complemented by color-matched chassis and wheels, and adorned with a hand-painted Union Jack on the sides. The interior will feature seats and trim crafted from dark green illustrious leather, the same luxurious material employed by Mulliner for the Blower Continuation series. The same luxurious material employed by Mulliner for the Blower Continuation series. Olympian Model 01. Notwithstanding the Greek name, uber vintage exterior, and a Chinese EV platform, the Model 1 is actually manufactured by a recently founded New York-based startup. This four-seat sedan by Olympian Motors boasts long curved fenders, deep sections between the front hood and fenders, a chrome grille with thin vertical slats, old-school wire-spoked wheels, an upright windshield, and other clues typical of the pre-war French cars. The Model 01's body is made of military-grade carbon fiber and titanium, and it is underpinned by a superboard chassis sourced from the Chinese U-Power Tech. This is a rear-wheel drive car with a single rear axle motor. 310 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of twist enable the EV to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.7 seconds. The Model 01's floor houses an 82 kWh battery, enough for more than 300 miles of range. Inside the cabin, the four-seater features as minimalist interior as possible, having only a wooden steering wheel and a couple of analog ground instruments. At the same time, the retro-inspired EV comes standard with a head-up display and a sophisticated voice command system used to control all of the operating functions and driver assists. If you want us to cover more retro sports cars next week, then make sure to smash the like button and ask for more in the comment section. Let's keep rolling. Renault 5 E-Tech. Inspired by the iconic Renault 5 sports car from the 1970s, the all-new 5 is an electric hatchback that keeps the overall retro styling of the 2021 concept of the same name. The Super Mini gets slightly tweaked lighting and a new charging indicator designed to mimic the air vent from the original 5. Standard wheels are 18 inches in diameter. The base models will feature steel units, while the upper-level trims ride on aluminum rims. According to Renault, the 5 E-Tech will be a front-wheel drive-only hatch, offered with 3 motor options. These are rated at 95, 123, and 150 horses, with the quickest acceleration of 7.9 seconds. There will be 2 battery sizes, 42 kWh with 186 miles and 50 with 248. Inside, the company opted for the retro-style design and a two-tone seats upholstery blended with modern recycled materials and tech features. The latter include a 7 or 10-inch driver's display, plus a 10-inch infotainment with the integrated Google Maps. Nichols N1A. Steve Nichols, a renowned designer from McLaren's Formula One era, played a crucial role in shaping the legendary MP4, celebrated as one of the McLaren's and Formula One's most successful racing cars. After departing from the British team in 2002, Nichols made a return to the automotive industry with his own exclusive car manufacturing venture. His debut creation, the N1A, pays homage to the McLaren M1A. The Nichols N1A features a bonded extruded aluminum and carbon fiber chassis, a wishbone suspension system, and high-performance racing multi-piston brakes. While the original M1A utilized a modified 310 horsepower 4.5-liter aluminum block Oldsmobile V8, the Nichols version will come with more potent power plants. The GM-sourced LT1 and LS3 units. The standard 6.2-liter engine produces 460 horsepower, upgradable to 520 HP with throttle bodies and trumpets. Alternatively, the second option is a 7-liter V8, generating 650 horsepower, doubling the M1A's power output. Both engines are mated to the Nichols bespoke 6-speed manual transmission, featuring a gear knob inspired by Senna. Do you agree that cars simply looked better in the past? Which automotive era is your favorite? We'll be talking in the comment section below. Subscribe to Automotive Territory and tune in next week to watch the second part of this video, where we'll cover more retro sports cars. Smash the like button and follow the links on the screen for more informative car content. May the torque be with you!